Now that we've created all the images needed to complete our video, it's time to animate them. For this content, we'll be using Hailuo AI, which is the best image-to-video tool for this type of project. To get started, simply click Create in the top left corner and upload your image. Hailuo will smoothly bring your visuals to life with high-quality animation. To animate the image, we'll need to insert a prompt that guides the animation. For more details on crafting effective prompts, check out Module 7, Prompting. To make this simple, think about what action could naturally happen in the image. For this example, we'll use the prompt, "The cat walks forward." Simply press start and wait for the animation to be generated. Keep in mind that the results may not always be perfect, as the AI technology is still in its early stages. You might need to retry a few times or adjust the prompts to achieve the desired outcome. This result looks pretty good. Now, repeat the same process for all of your images to bring each scene to life. Once you've animated all the images, let's move on to the final step,